you. We got something. Hello? Come. Come. Hi. Oh, don't. Hey. I just took out his braids and he is just inside, so he's a bit itchy. But this is from Angelique, and she lives in the Netherlands, in Rotterdam. Hey. This is for Teije Rein and all his friends at stall H. Thank you. And I like this. Horse. And yes, I agree. And oh, lekker. Teije Rein. Oh, Reis is that too. Oh, lekker. Reisje? Perfect. And these for the dogs. No, it's not for you. Where are the dogs? They always are here, but now they are. Alright. And for the cats, and I have a new cat, Rocky. So I think Rocky and Sissy will like it. And another one. And last but not least, ta-da! It's for you! Hey! Look what this is. Whoa. Wow. I think it's beautiful. Hey, this is nice and soft. Hey. Wow. Perfect. One for you. Spicy. Rijntje en Dolly. And Elvis is here, making noise. Hey Solly. Solly smells it. I don't have any more. Yes, in the bag. I get some. I want to film him from the side. No? Kom eens. Kom eens. Will he come? No. Come. Well, Angelique, thank you very, very much. We really like it. Yes. And I agree. Oh, it doesn't work. Yes. Horse. Horse. No. What are you doing? But thank you, thank you, thank you. I really like it. And I like it when it comes from the Netherlands, so I don't have to pay the import fees. Hey jongen. I will bring them outside. Hey. Bye.